the uterus. It is the SCA no, and only at the AC. It is at every point in time, no, so Obano and Shien Super. Yakazen Supana, that's in Sua, or Bama, because I say, Bia, Nihunsu, no, so they call if you didn't want to bear 200 to 300 million sperm count. Say Shien Super. And answer say, and Shien Suokra. The SCA say, or say, I would dear no the line in the bear more. I prepare itself, say a bit more warno, or sending a movie out. So it's a movie out on one, and a dear idea and say menstruation. Into your menstruation, no, just say, idea. I would get the line and one. Nami, just I prepare. I would dear no. Enya. Fertilized egg bia mamuno. Enya bibia fese fetus because sebema hunsuo ene oba ehun fensei enkosuya ne kansi animu a ene beka ne se fetus no. It is enya fetus na amfama amamu a. That's why he disappointed. It was a de no, was a line ni nyina no eba out. Na eba out paper. The SCA ne say na asa prepare itself for another month again. So another month no expect say ebia obetima side obetima nya. Wa anyema it is so as long as you are not getting pregnant, these things will continue to come out. Okay. That is how we are menses and no. I don't know if into baby obenya menses biano. Also what you say time onya menses no, meaning that the line in the war would deal no and I day a yin the pie because enya fertilizer bia manama amedaho. Intina yin in the pie. It every month be till you continue obesa so benya. Okay. And intinu ka at the normal circumstance no, ko ba time baby to ma oba ne menses and ka stop here. Yes, Oba no onyemo. Eti Oba wonyemo you at no point in time should you have menses. Okay. Even though there are issues, your consulting will be obi obeba no or say be a spot of blood and so on. But enokra no alarming situation. Onya side no also rush because at no point in time no also onya spot of blood and amuja etu emekwa wo menses. Yes. And another year also Oba ehwen so no say enka at every point be Oba also onya menses. Udu menopausal stage ya. The nokra no what do menopausal stage and am so you Oba na hormones so no. E wo mu a bo say obi okwa na wo mu kakra bo say na moja kakra. Ayede efinase ayede aba no so ka also check you because obu okwana e bia cancer kwa na issue is science na nko no ba anaso oba unya nu puberty stage dia o message no nya dia anaso oba kro bia ma bebiri okwana so breastfeed exclusive breastfeeding a ebi mu ho anya omunyina obu o breastfeed exclusively on fait yes eno sa no etimi eno to ka timi ma oba no ne menses no etimi eteko so basically we ni normal antika oba bia wadu puberty stage bia no anke ne wohwemu a abi okwa oba no 12 years 13 years 14 years and 11 years kwa ne bi madu and ebi mu come as early as we have 10 years now we do that stage and to do that stage in dia se wonyem nko ade a ka every 28 days bia no wo oba no so ye de utiminya bibia be kana se menses ana obunsa
eyin san ni awo menstrual disorders se ho nkomo na ye dia ye kire ye nsabuo no kura no kwan ye fa so ba ye ehwa na ye na Ruth Obin Yabo a wa fia man kwata maklo page a wode ne dia ba na Faith Felix Hackman se yin san ni awo team die ye mododo no to keep up the good work yada Ruth Obin Yabo is a very interesting topic and nepa adwa brago so ewa has a good topic and afi Nash and I said Nash or see good job and topic yada say if we are pra na the sound is not coming oh dear and Thomas Pachaya sound na my na emra Facebook and my Mary Phoebe said that's wonderful yada say wo share and I don't page and so Felix Hackman sawa ha or see be blessed forever team yin say ni awo yada say Ruth and so ewa ha Isaac and Junior so HIS Yankoswa na yenya jumaliti shamwa se keep it up adom Rosemary Edia Osino sound ye pacho wamugu so ye ho adwumanti mu fanche sound ne beba sesia enche kra anti ye die nkomo no ye to so dog ma ye hunu hwan na e wo se o menstrate em se o kakakra wo wahase mu but hwan na wo so menstrate
yes oba bia wadu nimfie so puberty stage na ebi at that time we no for asha say class e bobo
o mi ntwa no facha me pa se adam pacha sound ne banti betie for papa bi won so check o de ne mame na shine ne to me ahye yes sound ne banti mo hwa mo de no so mame don pacha mi nti
it was as so we do puberty stage ne de oba o 28 days bia no averagely ibi mu hokra na abroso a ka bia 2 days na ba beto so anaza wo de betima ba bia be 2 days earlier or a day or 2 no earlier than the normal day no and no also nya menses anaza oba wonyemo and then you can say wonya menses but say wonyem so far as wonyem yenkwa de you should be able to get your menses every month and now oba we do menopausal stage we kabra and no when you can say we dey wonya and now obi okra no so say dem sika and say wo breastfeed exclusively no a na we di obi wo di ye akra no man na onfa aduane bia nka akra no ho no a e dey because exclusive na just say no bi mu ho a that time no obi okra na tim be family planning for the person a man be bro with me that time ni kunu betime hia obi wa wonyam but ebi mu so enyo eno no enya ade aye to everybody obi so betime at that time no 2-3 months bo answer was anyam enti no so ya de o eti basically no we mu no ma e betime prevent oba se wonye de wontime nyam eti ya busa se time ben dia that's oba bia we do puberty stage ya onu menopausal stage no also oba no 28 days be averagely no also otiminya
enti say in fiese no mo start menstruate
averagely no now no eso no say de bi nkura no bebere sitie wo say nkura no bebere okura no an na ye wo yi obu a eba wo ne ba no ebia breastfeeding nkura na akura no anya bi kura anya dey we mu nyina no e form etimi ma hormones no e different from the norm ka ideally no answer de nka ebia nka be say ka 12 to be 14 years na ko ba wa say unya menses nenso so no na obi mu okura na in fact ma hu bia I dey about hospital na parent no cry were scared my dream no movie say be akra no be na dey obi atona mo na so be because at the age of 9 years na akra na hu akra no ho a na enye mwanwa because hu akra no 9 no hu akra na bo say obi a obe 14 years say there was ya abobo agina so na no eti ebi mutimi ba as early as that one but no nye bebre sa enti we mu abe say 12 years 14 years na dey na bebre no a na na ade ba ko mu ni say oba bia ntia se unya o message ntemo a se sakola no advice be Peter man say o say oba bia wo ne fertile period no average the better 35 years
okay how do na ugina ona so
now yes na hormones no very strong wa at that time no na also be wo a also timede wo nti oba bia ne de bia onya ne message bia be 10 years no and then abose bi mu etimi nya menopause no earlier and now obi mu timi free obi woka na that time we do that stage more na the menses no and ma regularly said it was open no it was obi nya ne de 10 years no a you have about add 35 years to it it will have 45 years
no I started
say we twabra so to obi betuma ba obi check na you know na we do stage also twabra obi so hard de no e betuma kwa as far as be about 50 or 54 years and you know so unya ne ntem a there's a likelihood say you are likely to go off the fertile you know so no ne ade ba kwa ho na mom no ka average in there between 12 and 14 years no oba also ba yeah normal
nti ya period no dey na ye normal say bia days what say oba utimi bunsa
you made that say a normal period no obohu so wo kan books mu a obohu books bi meka jo say bia 3 to 5 days
okay
we beka the 5 we beka the 7 days ebi mko beka 8 days na mom no with experience no and day bia nu a ensheda enye universal it shouldn't be o mse do no most ladies no bibia between 5 to 8 days 5 to 7 days na eno munya menses but enye no na mema wo de beka say wo de normal wo de ye normal for wo afia no may not be normal for bia ono OTM
okay
and entin de beka na say ade ba ko say de hye ne so ne say time wo say wo nya menses no days ya na would you menses no that is what is normal for you
okay we start you know
ebia for the in fact we shall see first time no menses no unya ebia oba kwa betanya ne menses ne ede na fa ebia betima tiako oba mo shall see nya menses no nkwala no obi de betima tiako bia be 3-5 months asana saba eti time mo says we nya regularly no so we shall say we nya 5 days ya that is your 5 days na ye good ye wo normal time
okay
so ho eti bi a obi betuma kɔ obi timi frɛ o o makoridi ya na nye sama twotwo nyina no da ya na obetuma fa no hook and line because you betuma to say be 5 to 7 days is normal for a woman but me I'm saying say the wo shase say wunya no wunya na 5 days ya it is normal for you onya na dey 7 years 7 days no ono so dey na normal for that person
onya na dey 3 days no
perfect eti obi betuma nya 3 days na so a normal period obi betuma nya 2 days measures but o shase no na dey 2 days na no onya okay eti ne dey no but obi na dey no ebi aye alarming ehu ebi nipa no so ko report man hospital ene say obi wo na dey na shase be 7 days or shase onya 7 days ebi a wodi be 18-20 years na fe ne message no kra na shase say e drop it 5 days no ana onya 7 days dey onya ne be 4 days na e be ba kwa na e mayiye ebi e ba scanty kitikiti bi
obi a unya 7 na say
unya be 7 days na oba be 3 days
na fe me
enti eno sa no also ye dey at the normal circumstances also timi e fine here from hospital no mutimi ka to say e bia e normal na say normal so because e alarming because why we shall say wu e bia 7 days na about 3 days about 2 days about 1 day one here be do me bi kwa na unya bi kura
okay
so enti no the normal days no e ye wu in particular no a wu tie no busa ho say me shase no na me shase tambe eti wo adamfo ye 7 days ya enforce ho say wo dey 5 days ya no just wo dey na abnormal and how dey adamfo so dey na abnormal but the ono shase no sa na ye normal for that person
ene wo say nyina ye de tu ye nkotodwa nim ye nim kwa ye tam na pa ho wo bu nsa ache nti say wan fa ntu tiri mu an share time nti enafo no ye mayo na enyini ba no na wo say awofo no me ye ni nko ho ne ye hwe days no se da be ya da chi bi enko ye comparison bia say osuma si ba 5 na me de aba 2 ntime yare enti moma ye hwe no so yinsen ene awo Mr. Bra Facebook adom 106.3 na wonsem bi se bi a kire wadwene fa bra me obi de bi aba wa ha de bayire meba ho medofo say yes em so di bayire no ntime enya but ye bedi ho enkomo but dog matisem say menstrual disorders in your types.
Yes, yeah. Menstrual disorders no. See, I menstrual disorders yeah. First of all no, the patch nyina na say ade a etimbe ya consider. Ewo oba ehho ema ne menses no ehho to ekwa atwe kakra. Ana enko the normal say the oba no esipe no. Ekoba sa na ne beka say aye disordered. Ade ba disordered ya. That's ade na anko no totin. Anko ade a eye world I say what accepted norm no a deviate. It will be deviate and about disorder. Fine. It will be so here. Adia team oba a message someone a call a trick a cry night. Timani disorder na. I can say obey 4 types of menstrual disorder. First of all, which one you be can say premenstrual syndrome. Premenstrual syndrome no. Say oba binyane me obebu ni nsa. Na washa say unya no bebre. Obu abon say na rashes ebi okwa allergy. Na bibia gugu na honam obi okọ benya na menses na na chi nyina no ase black ashes etimi hye se pimples bi na chi o na honam ba bia etimi hye na owie menses ne wie no na ase aimu ahye na hwa ye black ene ye premenstrual na obi okọ na premenstrual syndrome no ene se obenya na menses na no onya flashes ase na honam hye no obi so de no obi o ha bo se pimples gu na num prekesen ono so de no obi time fe obi anum time ya no no obi o ha chese adwane kra ote adwane sent kra de bon no obi o kra no abo se ne temperament no
ebufu bi ba no so
kra time ya de
nsem ye na hi
correct obi so obi an se ne de esi ye eti ene e be kan say premenstrual syndrome no so ye disorder eti wonya sa de no a ebro so a obi betmanya bi a pimple ba ko bi esi ne baby which is normal. And now obi ha bibi kakra bi but ekoboro so a ekoye unbearable na aba ye a disorder. So and into me and fan say oh menses de menya menses ya na me ho hyehye me na ma machi ya yem sei ekoboro so bebre no a eni kwato tena ho aba ye disorder.
Okay.
Now obi so ode ade ba kwa e be kan say menstrual disorder ni bi obi okwa e be kan say amenorrhea another type na be kan say amenorrhea. Amenorrhea necessary say the esi kan no ye kire mu say oba bia no ka averagely no 28 days bi also by the bunensa obi wo ha na bi about 3 months let's say or no 28 days na dia na CD because atwamukra over be almost by 90 days no na oba no moon nsa na ne beka say amenorrhea so ho ana say obu akwa betima konanim bia be 6 months na omu enti no say wo do 28 days abroso a na say the music no bia be 30 to be 32 days normally no o say ka oba obu nsa say ko extend beyond that ne could do that level bia be 3 months plus no na kwa disorder no so no type of menstrual na ye kan wasem no so ya de a enye normal ade ba kwa sa wo biem ye beka say dysmenorrhea eno so ye say oba wo be your menses ya at least wo benye bibi kakra sensation kakra obu okra no but baby mu ye ebi mu okra after treatment no wo betimi ahwe no na ebedu mebi obi okọ benya ne menses ya on shadante this wa we did okodjonso obefele so okodjonso obekono ana bia muja no na ye de eba but ebi mu de na so severe say na ya ase ne panchi ne sisi achi ene ne sire mu nyina ye ne ya na ne nofu mu no oba bia ka nofu betima hyehye so wo bobu ho no a atade ehye no kura no tade ne twi tade nda nofu so kura no na ye ne ya obi kura ntimi mo brazia obi ntimi mo bra
dysmenorrhea
yes eti sawoti any just it has to do with any pain that is associated with menses eti the same music no obetime nya pain kakra me fan say normal e bia wo hobo say oh my asin ye me no yi kakra na obi wo ha obeka say oh the menses na beba e man be kra am very observant no obu ane de ne bia be some days to the menses no bo say
feelings be
onya bi kakra so now de ne ko bro so a na pain no obi okra no a pain is so much say nante e kra wontimi nante obi ntimi nante wona mo a just so odene sasa na yase
ana so obeka dem kra
e ko basa no a eno so ye disorder eni kwa say pain no e unbearable eno so any one another disorder until you are 4 types you were dysmenorrhea you were premenstrual syndrome any obi bia beka no say amenorrhea any obi bia beka no say menorrhagia disorder eno no menorrhagia no just say no de wo de no say wunya bleeding no sa uterine bleed no wo de no profusely
ebadodo
ebabroso ana obi wo ha ne de so ebeba 3 weeks no yes 3 weeks
no obi wo de bia wo sesan ho sa
every day 3 weeks obi tumi come 1 month continuous yes obi ba hospital no 1 month na bo say ne de no aye too much say ne waya anemic the Socrates waya ko ya it is a unya uterine bleeding no profusely and say a prolongia and you can say menorrhagia so no cry no a different topic because you can say go in there dive into it and a very talking for another but and also so beside this other no there are 4 main types: premenstrual syndrome, amenorrhea, dysmenorrhea, and then menorrhagia. No so profuse it will be some these are the 4 types of menstrual disorder.
Dr. Dubois endpoint na numere obo aye kire ne just menstrual disorders no ya wona hold one idea ya beba ne ya sheda chemu yi because bi mo dia no den so be menstruate for 3 weeks now 3 days 5 days ukranya better now weeks and what dey ne bosome Gladys Nai Tete HIA or see good topic yeah that's Deborah Chewa appear please ask doctor if he will do all the lab for free when I come with my husband.
No enya sanity say presenters no can say ana dey can say fertility awo enyi sani awo program ayen sponsor ninti no ene aye adwen say ema no atibi kwa huyenye mu emreko a obu awo nti wonya awo ninti no enti no obu also sika sem o de beba hospital no kra no oba nka be lab obe scan ye scan nko ne ke 200 Ghana cedis o lab ye 150 ye hu ni say eno no ene na ebisi bebre kwan ya montimi ma hospital ana endpoint ma me sa check no enti ne ya fa ye de ato ye ho say sa scan no a 4D Doppler scan machine no a ka utwa you 200 Ghana cedis no ye de chow a free of charge so hu na mom lab no a be ye no because scan bia no e kire organ enya adwuma na mom the cause we hu the cause of your problem no just why your lab account a lab no 150 Ghana cedis enti ya fa kese no e na wo fa 150 Ghana cedis sane ya fa
donka 2 ni nyina bo ma be
350 and then say and a man so yentimi nkonya wo mo and then say mema no so ade ba kwa home kese pa prostate yade na bebre no ano prostate yadeɛ no wo ho onya sign de be ma mu hye no mu ye ne ya but on o ti say ebi afi no beba hospital be lab and scan ye be gini sika ene o ti say ye ton aduro bi abonte a na akoto bi na aduro na bebre yade na say bedu mebi no bo say wo na Johnson na makora ene nti endpoint say sa scan no anka abeye no a ene so yetu na Ghana cedis no yan yafa ye be so bia ye de rubber beto bia be mem na mo lab na abeye 150 Ghana wo so so e de efa sa na yase cheri nyina ati
na the explanation na na aka mo obi ati ene da ye da say Mark K Nijuban great work. God bless Adom FM. Yada se papa panti also bra. Na yenya no obi de ne dia ba ye na dog dia famo no we ya no kama de amount. Ye to yen komo no so menstrual disorders ne wa ahodo 9. Enti dog ahodo 9 na ye be ne dey na na ye fa de he na ye hwe se ye beto aso ama.
Ye betima generalizing nyina na at the right time no say a doctor for ba no na bi ama picking on 111 na say ya crash is any opportunity na yesu ya be pick bi
yeah okay enti no yen hwe na bia next week no ye beto aso ye befa ba ku mienu bi abom na afi wato aso ama ye enti ma yen hwe ekwan be na ye befa so asi premenstrual disorders no ano and also okay yen hwe symptoms
well you can say symptoms of premenstrual disorders no no yes obi wo ha efie kra vomiting say dem sika ye no ana obo efono wo eno ye signs ni bia ana so obi wo ha say dem sika ye na allergy during that time na chi bia na bibia begu oprekesen na ne pimples ni nyina no eya ade a symptoms ni bia ana obi wo kwa na obi bi kakra wo so abre that time no on bibi kakra bi obeye no obi say abre na ya say we no wonya cramping pains I said na yase no eye win anase ne pan chi nyina no etimi ye ne ya ana obi ho timi nya hot flashes na ho hyehye no ne na ho ne tirim nyina etimi hyehye no obi okwa na num timi to obi kra akoma timi bo ne pere no obi ani so biri no ni tipa uti yes ne nyina no ekokoye science ni bia enti obi a eso obi empemebere no ano eso no said the types na e kan ye no si efa type bia bo so obi a type bia no because I work for amenorrhea no a most of the type and the symptoms ba ko ne say e mo ba ne menses na ba bebere obu an menses no won say menses no e ba bum a wo a wutimu nya doctor ba bo say the menses ne si ba bum no there is something wrong with it
okay
it did kwa say menses no at least ba kra na wo so otimi obi okra na wontimi chese within be one na ba no
e be se no
ho nyina enti no sa ebi mo a obetwa betena konya so obesore no na tade achi nyina na say the menses no e ba e bro sa ayino kra ne pad you use no anaze within 1 hour no wa change pad be mienu miensa
e be kra you should nkra diaper
correct eti no sa no ni eno ye science ni bia so eti wo hwe amenorrhea no a eti na me say ofa na ma ye fa na maako na obo say we sign na me generalizing nyina eti obenya sa de na so obi okwa na obo say ka message no wo sha ase no say dem sika ye no wo de na 7 days eti se message no e could do be 8 9 10 days kra no is alarming na pese e betima extend ya 2 weeks 3 weeks na da sunya menses enye normal e bank tengete kura no a it should not eni kwa say ACD within your normal time no eno so ekokoye sign ni bia o hwe amenorrhea ya eni kwa say sign ba akọ no bia be hu say o menses na beti akọ wu irregularly o menses no chese wuntimi end time o menses no eno so ekokoye eyini anaso obi nya severe pains ya emane eye unbearable eno so timi kokoye sa sign ni the signs no e also depending on the menstrual disorder kra woni person no that's right
ye beba no no ese wo cheche ye mu na fe ye na ye ho so ba ye hwe courses no e de asem na asie de na ye koso ye nipadua no mu nti anka normal ade a wa hyase na nka ye nso be wi akire na the problem oba
first of all no said ye sika ye wo hwe Friday and a world menstrual hygiene day. That just say we are seeing na a year WHO twini padwen abesi say oba also do honey. So and intina you can say ya na asante memo no you can say him fie. If you say a ho and na it say a sacred place for a woman. And intina say one yankipu ho no neat and as yankipu ayama hygiene no anye sronko wo ho ya nwale often nti obi okwa na nko banka bia normal times no ka bedwale be twice So if you have the opportunity na say bia wo mensis mu a say wo opportunity na adwuma na be ya as many as you can bath and I want me nyalo honam nyina kra na hono nko ade also we dey wo hye meet and ntino ade ba ko etimi di ba pa na say infections bibi ba kan say PID no kra so another topic for you. PID a pelvic inflammatory disease. You got the pelvic inflammatory disease no a the part nyina na say oba from vulva sebi wase kosi wo fallopian tubes no no it won so wase ebia the cervix ebia vagina no part of it, the vulva, the cervix, the uterus, the fallopian tubes, the eggs, ovaries in san nyina hori nyina ka bomu a ene beka say pelvic organs no. Now say infection ba ho a etimi didi na ebia ba cervix nim na aba wodi nim na aba fallopian tube na bia aba nkosu nim enti ba bia infection ba bia ewo within the pelvic area ono and they can say pelvic inflammatory disease. So and enti no say wonya infection say infection no say sexually transmitted infection. Indeed, sexually transmitted infection no it may result in premenstrual disorders here can was me. So and enti so banya infection say bia sexual bia me ukunu anansa or partner ewo gonorrhea or syphilis chlamydia oh yeah no wo so ne oba one ne die no man no epic infections here in show ti se be ma no antimi ankyere wo say oh maame bia me hu se be ma mu hihye me ana mu ya me ya na nso bi fi be ma mu ba na wan kan kyere wa wo oba na obetima nam ho now you don't know say something is happening to you. So and not me but any infections in the so are na sexually transmitted obi betanya infection or ba hospital be checking no na sexually na mum na non sexually transmitted infection et infection no so ko hospital na ka wanya infection a busamu say e infection en na manya sexually or non sexually ni nyina infection but non sexually no ni infection no ne kono emre sense the sexually infection etie enu no nyina no etimi kofa ade efense premenstrual disorder no e ba be hye I obi so okwa ade etimi ni ba no say e birth defect what you say obi o ha say de yetimi wo obi na se bi ne nsa ba akoni ho ne na obi so ana ne defect so eno so eye ade a eno so ne de e wo ho no enti obi o ha wono no obetuma tana se na menses no kra no onya bi so olu ni menopause no obi kura nya ne obi kura hu ni menses ni mu da in fact yes ebi mu de etimi ba sa it obi o ha obehwe mu kura no na ne de ne emfiri na se emma but eno still a disorder because the normal thing you need to have is the message to be able to come from the vagina, from the cervix and break down to the vagina now about one thing. So if it passes at any point and at any part of your body now, it becomes a disorder. What I say, it's a it's a problem for you. And the no idea about an idea about hormonal imbalances. So you will be offensive estrogen and progesterone or these are the other hormones nipetimi obaitimi but these are the main hormones wa oba regulative menses ne woni pedua no bibia e na ma oba e different from bema make say obi o tie me voice bia be say oh we bema na ka say wo hia zo bo me di answer obo say bema na ka say because who voice ni mu a voice ni mu emodu e na wo so ka say wotumi say tutors wo mu obo say we oba na ekui na bi kura no say bi me ma say trousers wo so say trousers so we hu achi a bo say we difference and I heard me so a ko so ko enti ni nyina no hormones no na e dey regulate sade no ye nofo ye trinwi ni sa no nyina enti no so ode no hormones no said the quantity no a wo so nya me fa ne say seka progesterone no is supposed to be about 70 na estrogen also ke be 30% ya now say who say progesterone no level of progesterone no rise and na decrease ya na just say estrogen no so no dey kosoro. So the kobasa pepe no what is going to happen is na ama hormones no aye imbalance the percentage ya ka unyama estrogen and then progesterone no na a take different form pepe no e affect the menstrual flow. Okay. So and also so e adio na yenya so isuban bi obi wo akese obesity uni pa no a utumi se chese wa bo ankasa wo eti wo chese just why your base and no so timi de ba and say your lifestyle bi say alcohol consumption ye num sa bebre smoking ye smoky ni nyina no eso de etimi de ba na aduane kwa edi aduane ya ni yi a obi so kwa na yade na de sa de na ba cancer cervical cancer etimi kofa